All right, traders, we are back. Let's see. This thing is moving fast. I was not expecting this to be so quickly at the open. Let's see. Let's take one share size here. Nice. Everything's looking good. Needs to hold over 84. Nope. It's not hold 84. Back into the gap. 84.66. Actually, 85, 86. Yeah, let's do it. AUUD. Looking strong right here in a 90. Okay, held out. CPIX. LVRT. PENN. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. HIMC. Okay. Okay. So losing 10 cents there. And BR. All right. EOET. EOET. ELF. CRWG. In at 90 on that. LVRT. AUUD. EUDN. VLY. Oh, 80. SRRK. BENN. So this one looks like it's giving a red to green. GRWG. Usually able to keep it tight. Let's see. This is good. This is good. Dip 720s. Ooh, became fast. Fast, 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 fast. LVRT. ETEN. All right. MVLY. USU. AUUD. NNBR. AUUD falls to the left side. IRE. WSHP. SSP. CTX bar. All right. CPIX. Actually, can even look at the news on this. This is commercial business. Okay. Stop was 85. I give it a little extra room because it's the open. Oh well. Give a hold on this. 94, assuming flat so far. All right, we'll wait. We shall wait. All right, looking for a dip. Gap and go 67 or a dip under 57. Let's see. 67 first. Let's see what we get. Not quite a dip. Not quite the dip I wanted to see. Oh, looks like it's gonna go. Not quite the dip. Oh, geez, here we go. Massive flush. What do we got? Not quite the dip. 8. Below that is 796. 8 could hold. Here we go. Nice there. Not a strong setup for me. I mean, yes, this is good. Below that was what, 20s? With the range, that should be good enough. Oh man. Okay, well. It's tricky. It's a tricky one. Didn't find an entry that I liked. All right, we're looking for a dip. First target hit, 932. We have a higher target at 1130. 11, yeah, 1132. We could take a dip here. 863 would be the stop, so if I if I can get a dip under 9, that would be ideal. Come on, give a dip under 9. Don't hold down though. I gotta check where the hold down is. Hold down is 850. Dip under 9. Dip under 9. 850 is a hold down. Dip under 9. Let's see it. Yeah, whatever. That's gonna be the best. No, that's not gonna be the. Yeah, there you go. 893. Don't crush me. Ah. Max lost today. Dang it, brother. All right. That's a shame. That's what we get when we play with these big stocks. I thought it would hold 9. I got in at 9. It held here too this one time. It held 8. Didn't get in. Got in aggressively. That's rough. What did I get in? 93. Yeah, oh, 850. Ah, all right. Well, I guess gonna have to eat this big loss today. Yeah, that stock moved way too fast. Thankfully, I was able to get out at the whole level down. So, 830, we're gonna look for a dip under 20s, under 8 maybe. Such a weird stock, man. It says it went to 8. I did not see that. I have to be more careful. Are you gonna hold up? 880. Is this gonna keep going higher? No. Gotta slow down. Gotta slow down here. It's a red cap. So nice bounce. I gotta watch the tape one more time. I don't remember seeing this thing going down to 8. Maybe on the bid. Could honestly go either way here. Target is right above $11, so maybe it'll do it in the next 10 minutes. Try to get myself out of this hole a little bit. Nine off 6. Here we go. Hold down is 783, so I could take a dip back here. As long as we don't flush, I think anything closer to the hold would be hold down, could be good. Bounce ball of 50s. Let's see this next candle. Mm. I'm gonna have to take out that 100 shares because that'll give me a little more room to stay alive. If I can land a good trade, me staying alive, waiting for a bit more confirmation here. It's buying, algos are buying at 50s, 60s, 70s. Small green candle there, small buying. Looking for one more dip to hold. There you go. Oh, there it is. Almost bought it at 8. False hold. Sheesh. Wow. All right, let's see. This is going to resume right at VWAP. So maybe just right under VWAP and then I'll take it. Could be interesting here. I'll take this. 67. Just 100 shares. No, brother. Okay, getting cooked there. Unbelievable. This thing will not. Wow. Okay. Tried it. I tried it. VWAP. Nothing, man. Wow, this thing really destroyed everybody. Um, I thought that would be good here at VWAP. Down 300. Okay, well, lost an extra $30 there. All right, here we go. AIXI. It's kind of more my style here. Interesting volume coming through there. Nice. 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 Okay. Pushed. Pushed. I'm rejecting now. 31, 33, 32, 31, nice dip into the gap. All right, here we go. We are finished today. We took an L, down 300 bucks. 20% well, 0% accuracy. Hold up. Let me clear that up. All right, here we go. Start over. 0% accuracy. Absolutely no accuracy, huh? Dang. That's tough. That's tough. That is tough. No, nothing worked. Let's check it out. CPIX. CPIX looked like it was gonna do something interesting at the open. Took this micro right here. Gap and go. The high of this was 85. So stop was around 85. Got in here 90, went up to 6, it faced certain resistance and immediately rejected down to 80s, back to 85. I kept holding. And the second I saw 79, 80 on the level 2, out. And I realized that nope, that's not gonna be it. Came all the way down, tried to come back up, but no, it's just like no, it's not gonna be the one. AUUD, to be honest, I missed a trade. It was difficult to catch this here. There's a dip here, 757. No, let's dip here, 824. Yeah, this dip after the whole resumption, it resumes, no dip, goes straight up. Next candle, dip to 824. The high in this is 794, so about like 30 cent, 30 cent risk, depending on where I get filled. 30, 40 cent risk on that, because it could be a micro pullback and then hesitate and then come all the way down and then back up over 8. So you got to give it room. Anyway, so 40 cents, 400 shares, that would have been maybe too much. 200 shares could be doable. Yeah. Anyway, what else? So goes into another hold, opens, dips, don't take it. Actually, no, goes straight up, rejects, comes back down. And I'm thinking, okay, this is gonna hold 9 in a 919, 920, out 913 because it was pretty fast, and I noticed it did not give the bounce that I wanted to see, the green that I wanted to see out quickly. And as soon as I get out, I see this thing at the lows. I see this thing come down to its 70s. So I immediately press it again. This is all happening very fast. Pressed it again, 894 fill on the, these are market orders, so I'm getting like kind of rough fills here. Hmm. And I'm seeing 894, then 870. It's like, okay, give me a bounce. Gets pinned, try to get out, and I get out. Thankfully, I get out at the whole level down. Big loss. So 2 losses back to back. Then I'm thinking, okay, this thing, halt it down. Let me get a bounce. It's right at VWAP. Let's do it. It's icing down 100 shares. In right here, as I'm seeing green, and it's holding VWAP in the 60s. Bro, nothing. Fails, goes to another hold down. I'm out 740. Basically another 30 cents here. Rough price action. Oh my goodness. Nothing worked on this. And this is just giving back the entire move. It looked very good, man, for a dip right here. You know, this dip should have worked. This one here should have worked. This should have given me like 850s. You know? Um, and this one should have given me a better entry. Honestly, that was my mistake because I took it here at 920s. But if I didn't take that, I would have been in a better position to take this next dip. To take it just a fraction of a second sooner so I can get maybe 70s. And then, you know, and this should have worked. This should have like dipped, give me a move back to 980s. If the market is hot, you know, different days, you get different days depending on the conditions of the market, you get different resolutions. All right, anyway, that was kind of it. Decided not to trade, max loss right away, keeping it tight. I want to trade less on my red days. What ends up happening to me, I trade a little bit more, and I'm too hesitant. I'm too cautious. I don't want to lose more, but I want to make this back. And to be honest, it's just best to cut it right here and move on. You know, so I'm going to practice that. So I'm going to be very careful with my max loss and just practice this, not get tempted into trading again. Because this month, you know, I did that 500, 279. So staying within my max loss, I guess, these 3 days. Oh, well, all these other days too, but except for this one. This one went a little bit too much. Anyway, man, I have a curse. I'm just kidding. I don't have a curse, but I cannot make 2K. But this month, there's still days left. So let's see this over 2K. Let's take it easy. We have that goal in mind, but we got to trade our setups. We got to wait for the momentum. Tomorrow will come. We're red on the week, so hopefully we can get a nice green day and just kind of finish the week green. Come back the next week and get 2 back-to-back awesome days, man. This month started really awesome with some great momentum. And to be honest, I gotta take advantage of these huge days. These huge days, I gotta take advantage of them. You know, I gotta take advantage of these days and really push it, push some size on it, you know? Push some size on this. Yeah, look at that. That's kind of the dip I was hoping to get, you know, bang. What size did it take? 600 shares. Yep. That's kind of what I was looking for. Yeah, nice. Look at that. Gap and go. Momentum is hot. Boom. Out right there. Nice. So these are the kind of days I need to see GV. Oh, look at this move, you know, penny stock too. So boom, in right there, 5K size. On that gap and go early in the day, right at 9:49, looking good. So when I know when I know when the day is good. I know when the day is good. and we will do it. I will do it. Today, the day was not great. I mean, just look at the top stocks. Boom, boom, right? Granted, I could have made some money. Could have made some. It was hard to find an entry. You know, you also have to realize that you got to get an entry here. It's immediately halted, resume, no dip. Yeah. Anyway, can't hold myself against it. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free trading analysis tool. Drop your file from today. Check what Mr. Profit can offer you. You're basically going to get this view right here. Check out your stats. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year, the most affordable trading analytics platform out there. So stay tuned for more features. Hit me up on Discord. We're growing the community, so come join. Learn how to trade small caps. I love small caps. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Last day of the week.